Okay, so here's my Airmate compressor. Slightly faulty, not quite sure what's wrong with it. It's a 50 litre tank, 3 horsepower motor, direct drive. I've had it many years. I've probably had it 20 years and it's never let me down. Still got oil, obviously. It has been changed. I won't say frequently, but it has been changed. And as I say, it's never let me down, but it started acting a bit peculiarly, and I'll show you in a minute exactly what it is. Cosmetically, it's just a bit dirty, got a bit of overspray. That's about it, really. The gauge on the outlet here has unfortunately got covered in overspray, and I tried to clean it with acetone and it melted it, so you can't actually read that. But it works. You can turn the pressure up and down. This one, the glass fell out, but you can see it. Let's see it running. It's quite nice, but this is the problem. Air is coming out of the dipstick hole. And also, when you drain the water underneath, which you have to do quite regularly, there's oil in it. You know, it's sort of foamy, like you get in a car if the head gasket's gone. So there's oil getting into the tank somehow. But as you can see, it still pumps up quite happily. Not quite sure where it cuts off. Not sure what pressure it's set at. But I've been using it quite happily with my plasma cutter, all my air tools, airline, all sorts of things, and it's been absolutely fine. But I can't trust it really. I need a new one. So it could be a very simple fix, but I just haven't got the time or the energy to muck about. So I've just ordered myself a new one with a bigger tank. So there you go. Could be of use to someone.